Hi friends, welcome to today's pose tutorial on Manta Ray. This pose is very useful for your foundational knowledge as it opens up a huge range of sequences you'll be able to build upon. You will not need to worry about the height of your hammock for today's class, though I do recommend that you will need to find a height that feels comfortable when you're standing inside of your hammock. This might mean lowering your hammock height if you have a lower ceiling. Let's get started. If you are new to this pose, I recommend watching through this first round as a demonstration so you can see what's coming up. If you have done this pose before or you are familiar with it, then you can come along with me. Let's get started behind the hammock. So you're going to bring your hands onto the hammock, palms face down, nice and wide. Let's bring the right foot onto the hammock first. Coming and bringing the arch of the foot onto the hammock. Reach up nice and high. Without swinging, you're going to pull up and press down with that hammock foot. So you're floating that grounded foot, the left foot, as you pull up with the hand grip, and no swinging allowed. So keeping control of the hammock. So you've got the right foot on the hammock at the moment. You're going to turn towards the left, so away from the right side. Reach up a little bit higher with the hand grip. Let's bring the right elbow through. Don't let go of the hammock. And then you're going to turn to that left side. So my back is laying against that right side of the fabric, the right pole. I'm going to release the right hand, change the grip. So the thumb is now face down. Looking towards that left pole, I'm going to bring my hand in front of my face or a little bit lower, press that pole away. You're going to bring that free foot, so the left foot is going to come in level with the knee. The arch of the foot is going to kick onto the hammock. So press that arch of the foot at knee level onto the hammock. And then that tension point is going to come into that left hand and the left foot as you slowly change that right foot to lift up into the left. Probably not the best cue. Hopefully that made sense, but you're bringing that tension point into the left foot. Keep hanging on with both hand grip. You might need to slide the hand grip down a little bit. Something to notice here is that knee, that left knee, needs to be unlocked a little bit. So keep engaging through the leg, so you don't want to press the knee and lock it out, as you might bring a little bit more tension into the knee joint. And you're flexing through that left foot. You're going to come further into your Manta Ray sequence. So this is the very foundation of your Manta Ray, is this L-sit shape against the fabric. You're going to start to bring your right shoulder to the back side of the hammock. Change the hand grip again, so you keep hanging onto the left. Right hand releases, wrapping the armpit around the outside of the hammock, and grab back on. Grab up nice and high. You're going to release your left hand and then reach to the back of your space, extending the arm and leg as you arc the back, pressing the hips up slightly, keeping tension or grip in that right hand grip. Option here to grab your foot, so bending that right knee and reaching for your foot, kicking your foot into your hand, open up through the chest. Take a big inhale here. As you exhale, release the foot gently. Look up to your right hand grip. Reach up with your left hand higher than your right hand, so you're staying lifted through the body. Your right hand releases and extend. Take an inhale here. And then maybe you take a kick into the hand, so grabbing onto that same side foot, kick into the hand to create a different shape. Release the foot. Bring that right elbow through the back side, sliding the back of the shoulder back to where it came from. Thumb grip is face down. So thumb face down with the left hand as well. So both grips, change the face down. You're going to turn towards your left side, looking to that left pole. Cross your right foot in front. And then you're going to release your left toes to the front of the space. But before you do that, can you bring more weight into your hand grip so you can control the weight because you're going to drop down? So the left toes are turning to the front. There's that little drop sensation. You bring the weight into the hand grip and land inside into a cradle type position with a bent knee. To come into your seat, you're going to reach your left hand up onto that left pole and your right hand onto your right pole. Turning back to the front of the space, dropping the hips back, sliding the hammock underneath the knee, and bring both legs through the center and back into your seat. Alrighty, so we're going to do that again 3 more times. We'll do it again on the right side. So come with me if you haven't done it yet. We'll come through for that right side 1 more time, and then we'll go through the left side 2 more times. So let's bring that right foot onto the hammock. Reach up nice and high. Without swinging, bring more weight into your hand grip. Float your left foot and pull up. So no swinging. Turn to the left side. You'll reach up nice and high. Bring your right elbow through the center. So your back is leaning slightly against that right pole. Start to press, bring your left hand in front of your face and press the pole away. Your left arch of your foot kicks onto the hammock at knee level. It's important here that your left leg, as you kick into the hammock, is going to be parallel with the ground. So if it's not parallel, you feel like the foot is up here or it's too far down, you're going to step your right foot back into the center of the hammock. With your hand grip nice and tight, take some weight of your body so you can press back up, sliding the hips back over the heel. Readjust, so notice where that arch of the foot is. It's at knee level. Kick back into the hammock and slide back down. Cool. You're going to release the right foot to the ground. So all that tension is in the left foot, toes are turned to the back. So you're going to bring your right shoulder to the back side of the hammock. Release your left hand and then extend, grabbing for your foot, opposite hand and foot grab, kick into the hand, and then extend, look back up to your right hand grip. Left hand reaches up higher than your right hand, release your right hand, and extend, kicking into your hands, grabbing your foot, and then release. Bring your right elbow back through the center, through the back side of the hammock. Both hand grips, change the thumbs face down here. You're going to cross your right leg over the top of your left. Bring lots of weight into your hand grip. And then start to turn your left toes to the front, to the other side of the hammock, which is going to drop you down into cradle. So you can control that drop with your hand weight, with your weight in your hand grip. Left hand grabs the left pole, right hand grabs your right pole, dropping your hips to the back of your space so the hammock comes underneath the knee. And then knee into the chest and kick through into a seat. Take a little break here, give the hands a little break. We'll come through for the other side 2 more times. So we're practicing both sides. So coming behind your hammock, coming through for that left side. You're going to bring your left foot onto the hammock. Arch of the foot. Reach up nice and high. Bring more weight into your hand grip. Float your right foot and pull up with control. You're going to start to bring your attention to the right pole. So reach up higher. And then bring your left elbow through the center, not changing the hand grip yet. Turn towards your right pole. Bring your right hand in front of your face, press the hammock away. Noticing that right arch of your foot, bring it to your knee level, line it up. It's easy to go down or up from here, but see if you can get it in line with the knee. Kicking your foot into the knee, pull against that right hand grip, sliding the body down the hammock as you straighten through the right leg. Left leg comes off into the ground, and noticing that right knee is not pressing down, it's not taking any weight. Keep it engaged, a soft micro bend in the knee. You're gonna start to release that right hand. Bring your left shoulder to the back of the space as you extend the right hand and left foot. And then grabbing for your foot, opposite hand to foot, kicking into your hand. Release. Look up to your left hand grip, right hand grips up higher than your left, switch grip, left hand releases, and then gripping for your foot, kick into the hand, look up to your hand grip, that left elbow is going to come through the back side of the fabric so that you can slide the shoulder back onto the fabric. Change your hand grip, so both hand grips, thumbs face down, turning to that right side of the pole, to your foot. You're going to bring your left foot to cross on top. Your right toes are going to turn to the front of the hammock. You're going to drop down into cradle. Bring more weight into your hand grip as you turn the toes, and then dropping down with control. Right hand to right pole, left hand to left pole, dropping the hips to the back of the space. Extending the right foot, left knee into the chest, and then kick through. Coming into a seat. Coming all the way out. We'll do that one more time on the left side. So left foot on the hammock, come on through. Arch of your left foot on the hammock, reach up nice and high. Pulling up, control, weight into the hand grip. Reach up higher, bring your left elbow through the center without changing your hand grip, turn to the right, press that right pole away. Your right arch of your foot, At knee level, kicks into the hammock, sliding the booty on down. Release your right hand, left foot points to the ground. Release that right hand to the back of the space, shoulder goes to the back. And then kicking into your hand grab for your foot. Look up to your left hand grip. Switch hands, right hand grabs higher, left hand releases. And then kick into your foot. Bring your left elbow back through the backside to slide the hammock back on along the back. Change both hand grips to thumbs face down. Cross your left leg over the top. Your right toes are going to turn to the front. Bring lots of weight into your hand grip, controlling your descent into cradle. Right hand to right side, left hand to left side, dropping the hips behind you to the back, and then kicking on through into a seat. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed today's class. If you would like to continue building on your knowledge of this particular pose and learn some inversion techniques from here, please let me know down in the comments by dropping a heart emoji. Also, if you liked this tutorial, hit that thumbs up icon to let me know, and subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so you get notified when I release new videos each and every week. Until the next video, I will see you then. Now that you've nailed this pose, another you might like to try is this popular tree pose down here. It is very complementary to Manta Ray when building out a sequence, or if you'd like to build some heat instead, then you might like to try out this HIIT class focused on the core. Enjoy!